Tugifian malesu Bonito na es laimang e fresco Tranquilo and silêncio todo risonia Fatma magi zombie sita Cocos Island ina omnia Estina isla Paraguayo zombie and Guaiyao salsa Tranquilo and silêncio risonia Zona sempre na sombra Cocos Island ina omnia Estina isla Del baño through para para Tranquilo da silêncio Horizonte Cocos Island ina omnia There's a little island just south of Malibu Little island where south trade winds blow Silent and tranquil place and its atmosphere Come over and visit us
Half a day! If you want to get away from it all, there's an enchanting little island just south of Malibu. So put all your troubles away on the shore and hop onto one of their glass-bottom boats. From shore, it'll take you across the open seas, admiring the tropical paradise corals all along the way. You'll feel the prevailing trade winds flowing across the vast expanse of the ocean. Soon you will dock and embark on an island of solitude. The white sandy beaches with crystal clear water, ideal for board sailing and water skiing too. At last, you are embraced in courtly island charms. And at a dash, you'll unload in your room of noble tropical preparations. Cocos Island is the name of this little island. Lots of people flock over from faraway land. Delightful tropical paradise awaits you at hand. Cocos Island is for you.
Little island where soft trade winds blow Tranquilo and silêncio todo risonia Come over and visit us Cocos Island in Estina isla Lots of people flock over faraway land Tranquilo and silêncio risonia Cocos Island is for you Cocos Island is the name of this little island You find no doubt through para para Savor the friendly trade winds that blows Cocos Island is for you